Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve a 5-mark question from pair of linear equations in two variables chapter which had appeared in CBSE board exam 2026. Aarush bought 2 pencils and 3 chocolates for 11 rupees and Tanish bought 1 pencil and 2 chocolates for 7 rupees from the same shop. Represent this situation in the form of a pair of linear equations. Find the price of 1 pencil and 1 chocolate graphically. So here, first of all, we need to generate a pair of linear equations in x and y. These are the two variables we are going to use. And using a graph, we have to find out the price of 1 pencil and 1 chocolate. That is, we need to find out the value of x and y. So let us consider the cost of 1 pencil or each pencil as x rupees and the cost of 1 chocolate as y rupees. So in case of Aarush, since he bought 2 pencils and 3 chocolates, we are going to get the equation 2x plus 3y and the cost of these two is going to be total 11 rupees. So here we have written it equal to 11. Now for Tanish, he bought 1 pencil and 2 chocolates. So the equation is going to be x plus 2y and the total cost of these two is going to be 7 rupees. So this is equal to 7. Now we have got the equations now. So let us rearrange these equations and get at least 2 values for x and y so that we can plot straight lines for each of the equation given. So in the first equation, we have taken 2x on the other side of equal to sign, giving us 3y is equal to 11 minus 2x. Now taking 3 on the other side of equal to sign, we get y is equal to 11 minus 2x divided by 3. Now let us consider the values of x in such a way that the numerator should get easily divided by 3 so that we don't get the values of y as decimals or fractions. So the first value of x we can think about is 1 because 11 minus 2 times 1 gives us 9 divided by 3 and 9 goes in the table of 3 giving us 3. So when x is 1, y is 3. Similarly, let us choose the second value of x in such a way that the numerator gets easily divided by 3. So the next value we can choose is 4 because here y is equal to 11 minus 2 times 4 divided by 3. So this gives us 11 minus 8 giving us 3 divided by 3. So 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. So when x is 4, y is 1. So here we get for the first equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. 2 values of x as 1 and 4 and 2 values of y as 3 and 1. Keep in mind, you can take any value of x here, but a small suggestion, do not get the values of x and y as decimals or fractions. It will be difficult to plot on the graph. So as much as possible, try to get them as integers. Now once we have got this, let us go for the second equation. So rearranging the second equation, we get 2y is equal to 7 minus x. Taking the 2 on the other side of equal to sign, we get y is equal to 7 minus x divided by 2. Now here we are going to take the values of x in such a way that the numerator gets easily divided by 2. So the first thing we can think about here is x equal to 1. So we get y is equal to 7 minus 1 divided by 2. 7 minus 1 gives us 6 divided by 2 and 2 divides 6 giving us 3. So when x is 1, y is 3. Now let us consider the second value of x as 3 giving us y is equal to 7 minus 3 divided by 2. 7 minus 3 is 4 divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. So when x is 3, y is 2. So for the second equation, we got 2 values for x and y. So when x is 1, y is 3 and when x is 3, y is 2. Now let us plot these points on the graph. So this is the graph and here we have taken the scale, that is x-axis is 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter and y-axis is also 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Now let us begin with the points for the first equation. When x is 1, y is 3. So when x is 1, y is 3. The first point will be over here. When x is 4, y is 1. So when x is 4, y will be 1. The point will be over here. So let us draw a line passing through these 2 points this way and this line represents the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. Now let us mark the points for the second equation, that is when x equal to 1, y is 3. So when x equal to 1, y is 3. We again get the point over here. And when x equal to 3, y is 2. X equal to 3, y is 2. The second point is over here. So let us draw a line passing through these 2 points now, this way. So here we have written the equation above this line, that is x plus 2y is equal to 7. And now we can see that this is the point where both the lines meet, that is at 1, 3. So both of these have the values 1, 3. So this is the solution for these 2 equations given, that is x equal to 1 and y equal to 3. So here we are going to write the cost of each pencil, which we had considered as x rupees, is going to be 1 rupee, and the cost of each chocolate, that is cost of 1 chocolate, is equal to y rupees, whose value is 3. So this is going to be our answer. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this video useful, then check out this playlist where you'll find more examples of this kind. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.